what's up guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this wig right here. You guys, I'm obsessed. I think this hands down has to be one of my favorite wigs I've had yet. Just look at this lace, y'all. This is like the most realistic lace I've had, and this looks like it's coming out of my scalp. So if somebody asks me, is that your hair? And this is mine, all my hair from the scalp. I'm in love with this. You guys, look at the length, perfect length, 26 inches. I just love it so much. I love it. So let me show you guys the back. Guys, I love how long it is, and you guys know I do all my same hairstyles. I don't do anything special, so if you guys want to see something special, you're not gonna see it on this channel, but you will see hair to the side, you will see pony to the side, you will see pony behind, you will see this claw clip bun, all this like when I'm in the pool. Oh my gosh, so cute. And you can do multiple hairstyles with this wig because of the lace. You can do half up, half down. You can part it anyway. I do really like this side part. That's my go-to, but you guys can customize it however you want. It did come with a little bit of lace, which at the end of the video, guys, I did do unboxing to see how the lace looked, how the inside looks. It did come with a band, clips, all of that. This wig also is heat resistant, so you guys can straighten it. It already comes pretty straight. It does have a little bump at the bottom, a little bit of a curl, but if you guys don't like that, you can straighten it out so it's like bone straight. You guys can add wand curls, make it curly, whatever you want. As I said, you can use hot tools, straighteners, curlers, if you wet it, blow dryers, anything you guys would use on human hair, you guys could use on this wig. So I love that it is giving human, but it is I believe it's a synthetic mix, but nonetheless it's synthetic. But I really love it. I do believe this is really good quality. As you guys can see, I haven't manipulated it at all. I've only brushed it, but I already could tell the quality is really good. So get you guys this link in the description if you guys are interested. Definitely worth it. But I just want to get on here and show you guys how it looks on. I'm obsessed. My favorite wig ever at the moment. So if you guys are interested in purchasing your own, go ahead and click the link in the description. So here's the unboxing portion of the video. I just want to go ahead and say I absolutely love this packaging. I'm a huge fan of zebra print, cheetah print, all of that. So when I saw that, I was obsessed. I just say brown bomb. She is so bomb. And inside the second package does have all the little accessories. It does come with a wig cap that has 2 pieces, which I really appreciate for those of you who do wear it. It comes with a wide tooth comb and a small tooth comb, so you guys can make sure you keep your wig on point. It does have the user manual, which shows basically more information about the company, about the wig, how to take care of it, different hairstyles, all of that. And I also did like that it actually comes with another little pamphlet that shows you a quick install, 30-second, you put it on and you're ready to go. So this is the wig right out of the packaging. You guys can see that is a lace front. Here's the inside. It does have combs at the bottom, combs at the top. It does have adjustable strap, and just look at that quality. It's so nice. I love it. Here's a closer look to the inside. So it does come with this strap that's already inside of it, but as you guys saw in the previous clip, I did remove that. But if you guys do want to leave it in, you guys can, so it could be a little bit more snug on your head. I do love that you could customize this to your head size. I think that is a great quality of this wig. And let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, you would like to see more like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.